Good morning, guys. I just woke up and it's currently like 6 something in the morning, and today I'm going to the beach with my boyfriend. So I'm just vlogging to give y'all content, and yeah. So hey guys, I'm literally so sleepy, but we're going early, so I have to get ready. So I'll just show y'all. I just wanted to show y'all my skin because it's definitely living. The sunlight definitely living. But yes, make sure you go in before you go into this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Put on those post notification bells so you know whenever I post a new video, because yeah. And without that being said, okay guys, so I'm going to be cutting up some fruits. I'm making a fruit bowl. I even have on my little apron, period. So yeah. I have some oranges, some purple grapes, and some green grapes. And this is the bowl. I'm going to put them in, and then I also have an apple, but it's downstairs, so I'm going to put it downstairs. But yeah. Okay guys, so this is what I'm doing for today. I have this crop top mesh kind of material from Pretty Little Thing, and then I have this panty. It's not really a bad suit, but it came with a set and it could pull off as a bad suit. I got it from Fashion Nova, and I got this cute little skirt to go over it and this to go under because this is mesh and I have some shades. And then in here I don't my panty. And then in here I have 2 towels, my purse, this black bed thingy, and I have to put some more stuff, but yeah. Okay guys, so right now I'm looking my teeth. I don't know. Guys, right now, my lip liner come off, y'all, rub off. But right now we're on the beach. We're going to order something to eat. And
not sure. You have to stand out for what you want.
Life in the ghetto, and every day we just trying to get by. Yeah. Look, was never born to lose. From the womb to the tomb, I move with precision, execute the mission. Cool conditions, where the ghetto youths be living. Watch your back, you never know who be switching. We used to kick it on the curb, getting lifted off the herb. My nigga, what's the word? It's money out here to earn, and I need about 8 figures in my earnings to reverse the generational curses. My hearse is the same.
isn't it? Say hello.
Hello.
You tell me must ask them for cups. Asha, you said must ask them for cups, didn't you? Anyways guys, so we ordered mutton. Baby get ribs and I get mutton.
Good.
You happy?
Yes. How are you?
Oh, this is nice. This is Asha and mine. Let me meet.
What we inside?
Yeah, this is rice and salad. And the meat over there.
A little bit of rice.
I know. I don't want salad.
You don't tell that?
What if I don't eat salad?
Yeah.
I don't eat salad actually.
Perfect. Who am I to judge and grudge the next person? I'm making efforts to apply what I've learned in this life. You don't always get what you deserve, it ain't right, but try your best to let it go. Can never stress over that of which you cannot control.
Every one of my tune them based up off of something that was in the past or something that lately happened. You understand? Either the past or the present.
Right now we just finished it and we just chilling, enjoying the view. I'll show y'all the view in like 5 seconds for you.
Yeah. Look, I just wanna be financially free, so I could feed the roots of my family tree. Praying that it be a fruit for my youth to eat whenever they come, whether a son or a daughter. Get that cheddar in order till I'm rich like Porter. Kinda sorta the type of shit you'd expect from a youngin' off the block on the road to success is a must. And when it comes, I won't fuss, rather get my chips. Take a lot of trips far away from the drama. You already know what time it is. Hustle and motivate the kids to stay positive.